Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be building an awesome gaming PC. Let's get started. First up is the power supply. I will be using an NZXT C850. In the box, there is a bag of cables and the power supply itself. For the case, I'll be using a Thermaltake View 22TG, which has a tempered glass side panel and a cool looking wavy front panel. I have decided to go Team Red with a Ryzen 5 3600X with an included CPU heatsink. I have also gone with a 1TB Crucial SSD. I have given this system 32GB of Corsair Vengeance RAM. To make sure I don't have any issues, I've gone with the Gigabyte B550 motherboard. The last thing I will be unboxing is the Galax RTX 2070 Super. Let's build this system. I will start by installing our 1TB SSD. I will install the RAM like this to make sure it runs in dual channel mode. I installed the CPU, making sure it was in the correct orientation. I removed these two mounting brackets because they were for the bigger heatsink. Time to prepare the case for motherboard installation. I then peeled off the strange protective layer off the GPU. I then got the case ready to install the GPU. I then installed the power supply with the correct cables connected. I forgot to hit record when plugging in all the cables. Time to get it ready for presentation. Will it boot? Let's find out.
A few moments later.
After a small amount of waiting, the computer leaps to life. How does it do in games, you may ask? Well, in BeamNG.drive with one car on a map, it hit about 110 FPS throughout. When loading many cars on the map though, it started to suffer a little bit, seeing 45 FPS throughout. But it's still not bad, considering that all the cars have soft body physics. In a game that I play a lot more, Trainz 2019, performance suffered quite a bit, ranging from 40 FPS to 20 FPS, but it decided to hover about 30 most of the time. Euro Truck Simulator 2 ran spectacularly, considering it is quite an old game. We saw 60 FPS throughout the board. Planet Coaster ran very well, ranging from 50 to 60 FPS. When there was a lot happening on screen, the performance started to drop to about 30 FPS. The last test we'll be doing is Premiere Pro, as there is no way to measure performance that I know of. I used a visual-based test. Compared to my old computer, it ran very well. I could actually run the full HD footage at full size smoothly. That's it from me. If you want to see more of these videos in the future, consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.